An in-depth guide to understanding what Tantra really is. Question 1. What is the definition of what Tantra is, and what does it represent? Tantra is a complex science, and the word Tantra itself means to weave or expand. It is a highly sacred and ancient philosophy, consisting of spiritual practices including Vedic astrology, Ayurveda, pranayama, reciting mantras, yoga, and practicing meditation. Without realizing it, we practice Tantra in our everyday lives through having an increased sense of awareness of the words we speak and actions we choose to take. Tantra is often misunderstood, mainly because of the way it is misrepresented through various means, and also because there is a general lack of information as to what it actually is, and therefore it can be open to misinterpretation. The main focus of Tantra is not on sexual practices or specific rituals, but on promoting a sense of mindfulness, leading to a journey of self-exploration and personal discovery within. And if practiced with the right intention, it can offer a sense of personal liberation from the confines of the mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual limitations we can often place upon ourselves. In this modern and busy world we live in, it is so easy to get caught up with trying to meet the expectations of society and what we feel is expected of us. We may feel the only way to prove to ourselves and others that we have a successful life is through our personal, financial, and material achievements. Unfortunately, it is human nature to always want more and crave for the things that we think will make us happy. But the reality is that all too often we can achieve the things we feel we desire, but then it is not enough, as we will inevitably always want more. And so this ongoing toxic cycle continues, as the sense of achievement we initially gain is only ever temporary, leading to a sense of frustration and discontentment. However, through tantric practices and philosophy, we are able to learn that we will never gain a sense of personal fulfillment through exterior or financial means, as the true wealth can only ever be found within. And if we are able to place our focus here, and in connecting to our internal energies and the divine, there are no limits as to what we will be able to achieve, which can include enlightenment, if we so desire it. The beauty of Tantra is in its simplicity, as everything you need to practice it is already within you. Through our own sense of self-discovery and exploration, we are not only able to improve the relationship we have with our own sense of self, but also with others, as through the process of being willing to accept our own strengths, in addition to our weaknesses, we become naturally more awakened and conscious, leading to a greater sense of understanding and acceptance. Through this sense of personal expansion and connecting to our own creative energy, known as Shakti, we become no longer bound or controlled by our personal limitations or worldly desires, as through connecting within, we are then able to connect to the divine and align ourselves with the universal energy that surrounds us all, leading to a sense of spiritual pleasure, known as ananda, and personal fulfillment that we are all actively seeking. Tantra is a chosen life path and an ongoing journey that can, should you wish, create recognisable change and personal transformation to not only fulfil your infinite desires, but also offer possibilities which are both limitless and potentially life-changing, should you truly desire to explore it for yourself.